Let's go. Halftime. Half a perky, half a Zany nigga. Halftime. Half a paintball up, ate my nigga. Halftime. Tryna rock that stick, turn it body to halftime. Boom! Yeah. Hit the streets and tear that bitch up like on Willie B. Yeah. No Tennessee, but that chain on my neck is a T.
I told you, man, you were worth nothing to me. Whoops. You know what? Screw it. This looks familiar. I think it was in my other ceiling fan fun video. That didn't work at all. Pen gun ammo. That was horrible. I'm gonna try it again. That was better. When you get mad at your fly swatter, just do this. It's a whole box of Diet Coke. 39 grams of sugar. Not anymore. Well, messed up Glock 17 model. See you and goodbye. Introducing moon shoes in the ceiling fan. Gotta try it again. Oh, you know what? That's it. What was that? Oh my god. It's not even working. It's pitiful. Look. That's better. Okay. That was just pitiful itself. Wow. Alright, here we go. Get it adjusted. That was okay. That was pretty decent. I feel alive. It's so fun. Oh, let's try it again. It was a back shot. Wow, that really sucked. Boom, boom, boom. Here he goes. Ooh, a hat. Woo! It's so fun. What else can we throw in the ceiling? Ooh, a bag of glue sticks. No, that didn't work. A bag of hot glue sticks. That was cool. Ooh, Baja Buggy controller. I was digging through my trash over there and I found this. That was good. Retake. That was just pitiful. Come on now. Whew, here we go. No, I give up, but that was good. Auto guide book. I have fun with you sometimes. Nah, I'll just keep you in my drawer. What in the world? That was awesome. Well, we ain't got nothing else to throw in the ceiling fan, so... Dude, that just fell off the wall. The last piece of footage on this videotape here, so we're gonna try. Yeet! Not really. Cause you know what? Hey, clothes work better, you know what? These are clothes I can't wear, so... Dude, these are so smooth. You just toss them up there. It's so smooth. Hold on, this thing's gotta go again. This shirt is really thick. Alright guys, I hope you liked that video. Please comment, subscribe, and whatever, and go check out my Facebook. It is called Zachary Griffin on Facebook. Go search it up. Send me a friend request, and I will subscribe to your channel.